Hey everybody, this is a quick video in case you have a HAIER brand dryer and it's giving you an E3 on the display and you're trying to figure out what is this error, why am I getting it, how do I clear it out of here and everything like that. So first of all, what is the error? The error is that at the end of the dry cycle, it's sensing that the clothes are still wet. And this could be happening for a couple reasons. One reason could just be that you put super wet clothes in there. And if you know that you put like a bunch of soaking wet stuff in there, don't worry about it. You know, you can just clear out the error and you go about your business. If you didn't do that, you might want to check another thing that you can check is everything, all the airflow stuff. So all the lint filters and everything like that, and the exhaust, if your dryer has exhaust on it, make sure there's nothing obstructing any of that airflow, which would prevent proper drying. If it goes beyond that and you're not, and none of that is wrong, then you're getting into more complex stuff. You know, one of them could be that the heating element is not heating properly and you may need to replace the heating coil on your dryer to make sure you're getting enough heat so that you're getting proper drying.